Now CCC MP aiwa anoitwa kunzi akasupporta the ruling party ZANU-PF projects airi kuita yemaland tenya nematitle deeds and the likes. Panguva ino achizopiwa motor vehicle $150,000 cash naMwigulu Chivhayo. Zvinozoratidza kuti this is betrayal at higher levels. Panguva ino zvinozobuda pachena kuti kwatiri kuenda hapana. These are just politicians vemari, politicians vemupocket chaimo. Musarabira mashikobdanyo kwa panguva ine. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chikopusarwa kubdanyira chiti the mask is fallen. Avashina kana nyadzi. They called creme de la creme. She called ZANU-PF the enemy. She told Budiro residents to rise. She made promises to the new Zimbabwe. People marched for her. People fought for her. Some went to prison for her. And today, she is accepting gifts from Mwigulu Chivhayo. No apology to Budiro, no return to the community she divided, no acknowledgement of the people whose lives were abandoned, defending her. Opposition, just a quiet handshake with the establishment she swore to dismantle. This is not a fall from grace. This was always the plan. ZANU-PF you can see coming. You know what it is. You can prepare. Fake opposition is a knife in the back from someone you trusted. That is why fake opposition is not just disappointing, it is dangerous. It poisons the well of genuine resistance. It makes the next real fighter harder to believe. It turns the hope of ordinary people into a tool for personal advancement. Budiro deserved better. Zimbabwe deserves better. Name and shame them. Remember them never again. Toma developments and Pangwa and Pinago section of any more to deep on the page. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.